everybody, this is now the overview video for Unit 1, mini-QPA 3. So if you've already done some of these before, you already know the drill. You know where to find some of these documents, but I'll just go over it just in case. First thing first, make sure that you are focusing on Unit 5 and Unit 6 materials. Unit 6 is going to be coming out next week during June. And the reason why I'm asking you to focus on these is because this is new material. Units 1 through 4 are all things done previously in during the school year, and so this is just out there so that you can revise. That way, you can complete all your requirements for this school year to be able to move on to Math 2. So if you go to Classwork and you want to look at Unit 1, you can click on the left tab and you have all the mini QPAs and capstones here. Or you can just scroll down. Once again, make sure you're talking to your primary person so you know exactly what you should be focusing on. But if you click on mini QPA 3, it tells you to watch the overview video, so good job in doing that. And you want to use the bundle map to have a step-by-step guide on how to complete the mini QPA. And then you want to complete the actual document. And I have Spanish versions for y'all if you prefer Spanish. It should be the same. Let me show you what the bundle map looks like. So I talk a little bit about the unit. We're learning about angle relationships and triangle theorems. And then in this case, we're going to be looking for unknown angle measures. Okay, so sort of like, I like to think of it as like a puzzle. I broke down the assignment into 5 steps, and make sure that when you're like going down the steps, to read all that I wrote out. I give you some helpful tips. I give you some notes that you can look at. If you click on, you can kind of see notes. My computer is kind of slow right now. I included videos that you can watch that might be helpful. I really use this map to kind of go through the assignment. That way you don't feel like you're completely by yourself, and also you can do it at your own time and you don't necessarily need me there. And it shouldn't take too long. It should take about 10, 25, 40, 50 minutes, so about 50 minutes to an hour to complete. So just make sure you're scheduled that you have enough time to get through it. The actual document looks like this. Mini QPA 3. All right. And here are all your angle relationships and triangle theorems at the top. I go over some instructions, so make sure you read that. That's going to tell you how to answer. And you're going to be basing your questions or answers on this diagram. So it shows you certain angle measures here and then some angles that are missing. And your goal is to figure out what angle 1 is, angle 3, angle 5, and explain how you got that. And it's the same here. I give you some known angles and then some unknown angles, and you want to figure that out. Make sure that when you are thinking about how to solve this, you're looking at like certain things like if I know this is 110, like what's angle 1? If I know what angle 1 is, how do I figure out what angle 2 is? If I know what angle 2 is, what's angle 7? You want to go step by step like that, asking questions in that manner. But that's it. So once again, if you have any questions, please contact me. If not, do your best. Make sure you turn it in. Please make sure to pace yourself. Finish strong, and hopefully you guys are all doing really well and being safe. All right. Good luck with this assignment.